This is Code.org, and we're ready for our animation. So, this is what I got. Ba-da! And if you haven't done the other bubbles, you don't have anything, so go make your own. Now, to do animation, we are going to need our draw function right here. Plop. I'm going to move a lot of my stuff into this. For instance, I might just grab all of this. I don't really need the background. We can set that before. However, they often put it in here, so I'll go ahead. Now, when I hit run, boom, it's exactly the same as before. The trick here, though, is we are going to use this to create our animation because the draw function runs 30 times a second. It just automatically, boom, 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 keeps going. So, for my animation, I want this to be my star is going to be my quote-unquote comment. And so I want it moving across the sky. So let's go to sprites, and X and Y is what I want to edit. Let's see though, when I pull this guy out, let's drop it here. It will allow me to do this. So X, should I just move it? I want to move it diagonally. That will be a bit trippy. And so I'm going to have star Y is going to be, and star X. What will it be equal to? It's going to be equal to what that value used to be. So star.x is going to be equal to star.x. Oh, and we're going to do plus 10. That might be too fast. Plus 5. Let's give this a shot. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, and I actually want that. Oh, it doesn't like this. There we are. Okay, so that's moving. Now, that's a good sign. I'm now going to do that for this. Star.y. And then for y, remember this grid is weird, and y gets bigger as it goes down. So since I want it to move diagonally, I'm going to do -5. Let's see. Oh, and I still did this wrong. There we go. Cool. So that's our star. Now, my characters, I'm going to have them move as well. I'm going to have them rotate. And I named them alien. And I'm just using what I called the variables up here. Alien2. And alien2 is going to dot rotation is going to be equal to alien2 dot rotation, whatever it used to be equal to. And I'm going to say +2. Okay? And I'll make this one go the other way. And again, I'm saying alien because that's what I called these. Whatever you called yours, right? You have your own fancy version of this. That's what you need to write here. Let's see if they're working. Yeah. Spin, spin, spin. I love it. Ba-ba-da-dum. And this is what the counter pattern is. Since this runs 30 times a second, we keep adding to these existing values as it goes. Cool. Onward.